Well, it was super windy today, but it's calmed down a little bit in the last few minutes. So now the wind's coming. Let's see how she does. It's a fair bit of back pressure to hold it.
3 minutes.
Woohoo, close. Wow, clear out over the fence. Lots of wind. Just for giggles, I think we'll try self-level. Oh, wrong switch. Oh, now it's in self-level. I'm having trouble holding it still enough that I can switch it out of gyro. Oh, I almost ran out of pitch there. The old battery's getting a little tired, I think. Not bad for a 10 or 12 mile an hour wind. That was just downright challenging.